My 3 favourite brushes for creating trees in acrylics fast. First one I'm going to show you is the One Stroke by Winsor & Newton. What I'm going to do first is just create like a loose line, take the corner of your brush and just start to put that tree in at the top. The next brush I'm going to show you is called a rigger. A rigger is basically a long, flowy brush that you can use to create flowing lines. Now the last brush I want to show you is the fan brush. So with this one, I just want to take the edge of the brush and make sure that it's got some paint just on the edge of it.